Hi everyone. So today Missy's going to talk to you about big problems and small problems. I'm sure that spending a lot of time with your family doing the same thing, problems sometimes arise. And you know what? It's hard to know what to do. So you have to be a problem detective. And we have two types of problems that we look at. We have big problems and small problems. Big problems are things that are emergencies. Someone's getting hurt. Someone's getting teased. Something's happening that you need to call for help or need help from an adult. And that's when a big problem arises and you need help. But sometimes we have little problems that we think are big problems. And we react the same way we would react if there was an emergency or a fire. We might scream, we might yell, we might cry, when really it's a little problem that we could probably solve ourselves. Today I'm going to have my friend Con and Moses show you the difference between a big problem and a small problem. Okay, let's go. So this is my friend Con. He's not a big fan of you being in his personal space. But as you can see, Ellie moved into his personal space, and instead of getting super upset, he just walked away. Right, Con? So I'm gonna move into his personal space, and he just moves away. So sometimes for Con, that might feel like a big problem that someone's in his personal space, but he reacted with a good strategy by just walking away. He didn't get upset. He's not kicking anybody. He just decides to walk away from the situation and ignore me. Great job, Con. Now, my friend Moses has the same problem as Con. He gets upset when you're in his personal space too. However, he has a very different reaction. Let's go see if he has a similar reaction to the small problem of being in his personal space as Con did. Let's go. So this is my friend Moses, and as you can see, he is not a fan of being close. And he gets right upset and starts crying and would rather just be left alone altogether. So he makes a big deal out of very small problem, like someone walking by. So as you can see, two different alpacas reacted to the same problem two different ways. What kind of way did Moses react? Let's think. Be a social detective. Think of the signs. What did he do? Yeah, he kind of screamed a lot and yelled, didn't he? And he kind of stomped his foot. You might not have seen that. Yeah, so he did. Big problem. He made a big problem over a big reaction, to a small problem. Which, what could he have done differently? Tell me, what do you think? Con had the same problem. He doesn't like anybody in his personal space either. What did he do differently? Right. He used a strategy and just walked away. He didn't make any big noise or big deal. He just walked away and ignored us, which was a great strategy for him when something was upsetting him, like me or my dog Ellie getting too close to him. Great job, everybody!